Here we are at the Pacific Street Operations Center with our new 5-story Operations Center building that's going to provide office space for our Parks and Public Works operations team. And these teams are critical to making sure that residents of our community have the services that they need every single day. Our Public Works and Parks employees serve our community both in times of crisis and daily operations. We're super excited to have this new building get built, and it's a commitment of our community to the people who make sure that our community runs.
The new Pacific Street Operations Center is a vital, visible investment in the future of Bellingham. We've envisioned the need for this building for a long time. Teamwork and cooperation are core organizational values of the City of Bellingham. So we envision a lot of improved and increased efficiencies by having everyone together in one common location.
This Operations Center is going to offer the park staff a home base that they've never really had before. The staff are very excited. They've seen the space. They're excited to leverage knowledge and expertise between the departments in a way that we've never really been able to experience.
The way that this building was built helps meet the city's climate goals by reducing our environmental footprint, by being energy efficient and 100% electric. The building is so well insulated that even in the middle of winter, we don't have the heat turned on and it's still about 65 degrees. The operations building here is coupled with a new operations barn, which houses our trucks and our very expensive equipment that we use to run the city. Also shop space and storage space for those crews to do the work that they need to do out into the field every day.
Sharing equipment, sharing materials, it's going to be a really exciting new time.